Okay, we checked into our hotel in Centro Hotel in Karlsruhe, and we love our room because it's an old historic building with high ceilings and very big windows. We have a huge bed and a huge room. There is a separate working desk, and we even have a relaxing chair and a sofa. See, there is the big mirrors. We have a mini fridge. And we have an amazing view, but it's not seeable right now. Let me show you the room from this side once more. We also have a wardrobe and a TV. The bathroom is a little small, but still it's really functional and bright. It was a little bit dark, and they did their best to find us another lamp, which really made our day. Here we have the shower and the toilet as well. Let me show you the room once more.